Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a Kia Carens here on a 64 plate, which is 2014-2015. We'll show you how to replace the cornering lights. But before I do that, I'm going to show you which one's working and which one isn't. If you turn to your right a little bit, please. As you can see, that light just come on. Okay, that's fine. Straighten up your steering wheel. That light would switch off now. More, a little bit more. That's it, it's off. Now if we turn to the left, please. As you can see, the steering is all the way locked to the left, but the light isn't working. To do the bulb, it's quite a simple procedure. We'll just show you. This is the cover we need to remove. If we remove this cover, that plug there, you then remove the plug. And then you've got a spring, which is here. You push the spring down and then pull it backwards towards you. You then take the bulb out, but before you take the bulb out, make sure you see how the bulb is sitting. You see the little lug on the bottom right there? That's how the bulb needs to sit. If I take the bulb out first, it's a H7 bulb. I'm just going to go and grab the bulb. That's the bulb number right there. So always remember to hold the bulb from the back, not from the lens itself. So that's how it needs to go back in. We're just gonna put the bulb back in place. Once the bulb's in place, we bring the spring down and then push the spring in. The spring's in now as well. So we now plug it back in. Okay, if you straighten your steering wheel up for me, please. Right, okay, we're going to try the left one now. Now if you turn your steering to the left a little bit, as you can see right there, it's working. That's all you got to do on your car. If there is any more information on this particular model, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out as much as we can. And please do subscribe, like the video and share if possible. And don't forget to put everything back together and then close the bonnet. Thank you very much. Goodbye.